Hi everyone, welcome back to English Ladder. English at times is a very confusing language, especially when it comes to pronunciation. There are a lot of words in English which are often mispronounced. So today's video is all about a silent letter that we have in a few words in English language. And the letter is D. Now you might be wondering, why did I call it a silent letter? There are many words in English language where we have the letter D being visible but is silent when it is pronounced. I'm sure that you're going to understand it better when we have the examples being given. So in our session today, I'll share with you 8 of those words where we have the silent D present. So let's begin with the first word, sandwich. How do you pronounce this particular word? I've heard people telling us sandwich, but it's not sandwich, it's sandwich, sandwich. Look at the letter D here. It's silent when it's pronounced. So let's use the same in a sentence. I'm hungry, get me a sandwich please. I'm hungry, get me a sandwich please. Remember, it's not sandwich, it's sandwich. Let's move on to the second word of the day, edge. Is it edge? I'm sorry. No, it's edge. Edge. Now, you find the letter D here, but that too is silent. Well, let's look at the same in an example. Imagine you have a sharp knife with you and you're trying to warn someone telling, it has a sharp edge, be careful. Edge. See, there's no D, but it's edge. Okay, so that's the second word. Now let's move on to the third word of the day, handkerchief. Is it handkerchief? No, it's handkerchief. Handkerchief. Let's look at an example. She pulled out her handkerchief and began to cry. Well, a lady who's got a handkerchief in her pocket and she pulls it out and she begins to cry. Remember the pronunciation here, it's handkerchief. Let's move on to the fourth word, batch. This word I'm sure is quite confusing for many of you. It's not badge, it's batch. Batch. Again, the letter D is silent there. So let's look at an example. Don't forget to wear your name badge. Don't forget to wear your name badge. So when you use this word for the next time, don't forget to pronounce it correctly. It's batch. Now let's look at the next word, gadget. Gadget. So you have a D here, but again it's silent. It's gadget. It's a trending word now because most of the people today use a lot of gadgets in their life every day. I'll give you an example. Her kitchen is equipped with a lot of modern gadgets. Her kitchen is equipped with a lot of modern gadgets. Not gadget, it's gadget. Don't forget. Well, let's move to the next word, bridge. Bridge is not bridge, it's bridge. I'll give an example. I don't know the exact length of this bridge. Imagine you're standing near a bridge along with a friend of yours and you're trying to tell him that you don't know the exact length, and the sentence is, I don't know the exact length of this bridge. Don't forget, it's bridge. And let's move on to the 7th word of the day, adjust. It's not adjust, it's adjust. Adjust, okay? So now let's look at an example. I can't adjust with you. I can't adjust with you. It's not adjust, it's adjust. Okay? Well, I hope it's clear. Don't forget the pronunciation of this word. It's adjust. And the last one is a very positive word that we have. Handsome. Not handsome, it's handsome. This could probably be a best compliment that you can give to a male friend of yours. It can go this way. You look handsome. You look handsome. I'm sure that's going to make him really happy. So in our video today, we looked at 8 words which are often mispronounced, and we have the letter D in those which are really silent, and that's the catch of the video. So I request all of you to keep this in mind and to practice it in your conversation every day. If you wish to improve your English, feel free to contact us in the number given below to know more about the courses that we offer at English Ladder. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all a good day.